But he got 102 because the anti-incumbency wave, anti-Pinarayi, and even local CPM workers, they also vote in favour of UDF. That was the reason for this huge victory of UDF.
And after 2011, it took 10 long years for the UDF to come back to power.
Yeah.
And what correctional message you suggest that UDF should take this time to gain the confidence of the public?
So we must give priority only to the development work, not go back to the previous government's attitude. It was corrected by the people. So our duty is we should give priority to the development work, including high development and low level development. Even common people want road, light and water, drinking water. So we must give priority to that thing also. And high-tech development for metro in capital city and Calicut. That type of high-tech development also should be done.
Sir, BJP gets 3 seats.
Yeah. See, the minority votes split there. And CPM people, last time, these 3 seats were won by CPM. So they failed to maintain that seats. The same time in Manjeshwaram, Kasaragod, Palakkad, UDF defeated BJP. Still we are maintaining that constituency. That was the main reason. And minority should also think that only Congress can save them in all India level, including Kerala. Now in some these constituencies, the minority vote went in favour of CPM and they also failed to maintain the minority votes.
Okay, and about the CM candidate discussions?
It will be decided by the Congress Parliamentary Party, and Congress High Command will discuss our coalition partners and they will take a proper decision.
When can we expect the CLP?
Within 1 week. Within 1 week. Because most of the leaders are in their constituencies. They will come back tomorrow or day after tomorrow. After that, the meeting will be convened by the Congress High Command.
Are the representatives are coming today?
I don't know. Today or tomorrow they will come, I think.
So 1 week you said CM candidate or CM face or?
No, no, you see, within 10 days our ministry will come.